Hey everyone, I'm Mariah Mazza. Welcome to my vegan food forest. I'm so glad that you're here to watch this video. I want to thank Madhur. Thank you so much for allowing me to make this video to show my food forest and gardens. I'm restoring barren land with the intention to make an amazing dream home for insects, for animals, for like the birds and the plants. And my intention is to restore their population and create like a self-sustaining food forest. So eventually, you know, very minimal water will be required, very minimal maintenance. I'll just allow the plants to go wild, seed themselves every year. The insects already have come back to this place and are just loving it. I see lots of butterflies, lots of bees, lots of wasps, tons of beetles, ants, everything, and everyone's welcome. And so the intention of this food forest, you know, is that I wish that everybody could, you know, plant something every year, because that can help us to restore peace on earth. And if we all go towards a vegan, cruelty-free diet, we'll have healthier people, people with more energy, people who are more willing to, you know, do beautiful things for this planet. Excuse the truck. So, humans have been, you know, somewhat cruel to the plants and the animals over the years. And so we need to be the change we wish to see, and I want to see change in this world towards the better. And so the first step was, you know, adopting a vegan diet, and the second step is, you know, I plant lots of trees every year and I give them away to people in pots, and I just ask that they plant them somewhere. And I'm always propagating something and just, you know, playing with nature and allowing it to flourish. And that's, you know, the second step. So I see, you know, compassion for the animals is the vegan diet. And if you want to take it a step further, please, by all means, you know, plant more trees. Even if you don't have like a yard or land to plant, you can still you know, grow things on your windowsill, seed trees, plants, propagate, give them away, just spread nature around, because nature is abundant, and we're meant to be stewards of the earth, you know. We're here to care for the animals, to care for the insects, to care for the land, and to make things better. And that's why we're here. We're designed as, you know, to be the caretakers of this beautiful planet. So, and I wish everyone the best.
for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't go when you ride, put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. For the both of us, I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. Ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love.